small, fast and slow. Come along and off we go. A is for angelfish, flitting through the coral bright. Can you flutter like it's been so pretty in the morning light? B is for blue whale, the biggest beast in all the sea. Sing hello, whoosh with me, it's gentle, kind and free. C is for clownfish, orange stripes and hiding in an anime. Can you wiggle like it does, so brave and full of glee? D is for dolphin, jumping high with a happy squeak. Try a flip like it does, so smart, so quick, so sleek. E is for electric eel, zapping sparks beneath the tide. Can you buzz like lightning? It's shocking, but inside it's shy. F is for flying fish, gliding over waves so wide. Flap your arms like wings, now it's soaring wild and free. G is for great white shark, sharp teeth and powerful glide. Can you chomp like it's jaws? It's fierce, but don't be scared inside. H is for hammerhead shark, head shaped like a hammer. Oh, so strange. Can you wiggle your head side to side? It sees all around, how cool and strange. I is for ice fish, swimming cold where icebergs gleam. Can you shiver like it does? It's frosty, clear and dreamy. J is for jellyfish, glowing soft with tentacles long. Can you float like a balloon? So graceful, slow and strong. K is for killer whale, orca, black and white, a mighty king. Can you shout whoop like its call? It rules the waves with everything. L is for lobster, click clack claws and walking sideways. Can you pinch like its pincer, so clever, bold and wise? M is for manta ray, gliding wide with wings like sails. Can you swoop like it flies? So smooth, so calm, it never fails. N is for narwhal, with a tusk that's long and spiral. Can you twist your horn like magic? It's magical, rare and royal. O is for octopus, 8 arms dancing in the blue. Can you wave all your hands, so sneaky, smart and new? P is for pufferfish, puffing up when scared or shy. Can you blow big like a ball? So round, so cute, say hi. Q is for queen angelfish, crowned with colors, regal and grand. Can you sway like royalty? So fancy, bold and planned. R is for ray, gliding low on sandy floors. Can you flap like its wings? So quiet, smooth and more. S is for sea turtle, slow and steady, wise and old. Can you paddle with your flippers, so calm, so kind, so bold? T is for tiger shark, striped like a tiger, strong and bold. Can you growl like its roar? It's powerful, brave and told. U is for urchin, spiky ball rolling on the floor. Can you roll like a spiky ball, so prickly, round and more? V is for viperfish, deep sea hunter with a glowing lure. Can you blink like it's light, so mysterious, dark and pure? W is for walrus, big tucks and barking on the shore. Can you bark like its call, so loud, so fun and more? X is for X-ray fish, see-through body glowing clear. Can you shine like its bones, so ghostly, neat and near? Y is for yellow tang, bright yellow zippy, always zooming. Can you dart like a flash, so sunny, fast and blooming? Z is for zebra shark, stripes like a zebra, calm and slow. Can you stripe your back like it, so gentle, cool and glow?